Hello Raider Nation. Today is Friday, November 16th, 2018. So I am across the freeway, as you can see. I'm at the Mandalay Bay on the top floor of their parking garage. Just to get another different perspective. So you can obviously see the shape of the stadium now. So this over here, this is the north end, and where it's the top part where it's like open in between, those are the doors that will slide open. So they'll be facing the strip. So you can see the strip this way. I would really like the Raiders banners on the fence. I would like a piece of that to hang in the garage. I don't know how well they're secured down, but it seems like they've been disappearing. They put more up because down on that side they weren't there last time I was here. Okay, we got you can see like the gray parts like in between there. Those are like the bleacher seats. So it was just on the news the other day on November 13th. That was the 1 year ago when they broke ground. So I think they came along pretty far in 1 year, getting all that foundation in, and now they're going up. I don't know if you could see the billboard. Raiders are coming. Hopefully they come here with a little better record than they've been. And then you can read the buildings down there, future home of the Raiders on those. They have the 3 different buildings. Alright, so this is what's going on from the east side on the Mandalay Bay parking garage. So if you want to keep getting the updates, subscribe to Raiders 1967. I don't know if we're getting invaded here. We got some big old helicopter flying pretty low. Okay, Raider Nation, talk to you later. Thanks for looking.